Hello students, I am your biology lecturer. In the previous class, we started the discussion about DNA fingerprinting. We discussed about the principles of DNA fingerprinting. The principle behind the DNA fingerprinting is the variation, the differences in the individual, that is the 0.1% genome differences. That genome is a junk DNA or the repetitive sequence of the DNAs. These are also known as a satellite DNA, mini satellite or the micro satellite. Okay, that satellite DNA shows the polymorphism. That polymorphism is a basis for the genetic mapping. That genetic mapping is very necessary to identify the DNA fingerprinting technology. Okay, the short nucleotide repetitive sequences or the satellite DNA is also known as a VNTR. Here, a short nucleotide repeats in DNA are very specific in each individuals. I already told that they are varies from individual to individual due to the mutations. Okay, due to the mutation in non-coding, then those are non-coding sequences. A short nucleotide repeats in the DNA are very specific in each individuals and vary in number from person to person, and are inherited. These are variable number of tandem repeats. A short nucleotide repeats in the DNA, they are very specific. The number of the repeats are vary from species to, means person to person. These are, those short nucleotide repeats are, these are variable number of tandem in the sense continuous repetitive sequences. They are varies in number. That's why we can say these are the variable number of tandem repeats. In the short form, we can say those are the VNTR. It is very important. VNTRs are the variable number of tandem repeats. Okay. These are also known as, these are called as mini satellites. Okay. Then these mini satellites in each individuals inherited these repeats from his father or her parents. Usually these VNTRs are inherited from generation to generation, from parents to offsprings. The VNTRs are inherited from parents to offsprings, which occurred as genetic markers, which are used as genetic markers in a personal identity test. Okay, the VNTRs are the variable number of tandem repeats. They are also known as mini satellites. These are having the continuous repetitive sequences. That varies in individual to individual. The VNTRs are inherited by from parents to offsprings, which are used as a genetic markers in a personal identity test. Okay, usually consider X person, Y person. X person marries with the Y person. This is a Y. Okay. This one, consider this is a male, female. Okay. These are the, consider these 6 are VNTR. Okay. These 8 are VNTR. The child which produced by these 2 parents must have the VNTR similar to their parents, means half of the VNTRs come from father, half will come from mother. Means by comparing the maternal and paternal VNTR banding, we can identify the child. Okay. Now we can discuss the actual process of DNA fingerprinting, that is technique. This is very important one, technique. Okay. In shortcut, I will write first one, isolation of DNA. Isolation of DNA. Okay. Here the isolation of DNA usually from the blood sample or from spermatozoa, that is semen and hair follicles, anything, or blood tissues, body tissues, from any body fluid we can extract the DNA, but except RBC, because RBC doesn't have any nucleus. If the nucleus is absent, means there is no DNA. Okay. Usually the DNA can be isolated from the white blood cells, that is WBC, spermatozoa and hair follicles. I will write here DNA extraction from nucleus of WBC, that is white blood cell, spermatozoa, hair follicle, okay, etc. Okay. Then that extracted or isolated DNA can be digested. Here I will write digestion of DNA by RENs. Those are known as a restriction endonuclease enzymes. Okay. First DNA na isolate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That DNA, consider DNA ಈ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Then the DNA have to be broken with the help of molecular scissors. You can ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, this is nothing but the molecular scissor. You have to learn lot of things about the restriction endonuclease in the next chapter, that is biotechnology. Biotechnology ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ the RENs are restriction endonuclease. These helps to cut the DNA exactly in the particular point. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೇ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎನ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಮನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮೊಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಕ್ the DNA at particular site. Okay, then I will write here DNA is first broken with help of molecular scissors. Okay, first isolation ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ಈ ಥರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇವು ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಸ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ separation of DNA fragments by technique known as gel electrophoresis. Okay, it's very simple. Gel electrophoresis is a very important device. Okay, usually it's like this. It have the two ends, cathode and anode, negative, positive and negative end. Okay, DNA have to be fold in the wells. ಇಲ್ಲಿ DNA ನ fold ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ DNA ಅಂದ DNA fragments. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದ DNA is separated. ಇದು ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ agarose gel. Here I will write agarose gel. Okay, the DNA gets separate according to the size and charge. DNA having the negative charge, it moves towards the positive according to the size and molecular weight. By the gel electrophoresis, the DNA fragments are separation. Okay, those separated fragments with a particular size having the VNTRs. DNA fragment ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ VNTRs ಇರ್ತವೆ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ರಿಪಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, those, here I will write fragments of particular size VNTRs are multiplied through PCR. It is known as one of the technique used to multiply the DNA fragment. Polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction. Okay, firstly the DNA fragments are get separated. Okay, these are the DNA consider these are the DNA fragments. The DNA fragment number is very less. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ those sample must have the limited number of DNA fragments. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ lot of fragments are required. That's why these fragments have to be multiply with the help of technique known as the PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. In that PCR technique, they treated with the alkaline chemical in order to multiply the fragments. Fragment ಏನಾಗ್ತವಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗ್ತವೆ later. Then they treated with alkaline chemical to split them into single stranded. You already know that DNA is double stranded. Even though after digestion and separation by the gel, the DNA is double stranded. Later, the double stranded DNA fragments are treated with alkaline chemicals to split into a single stranded. Okay, double stranded DNA idana double stranded DNA fragments irtavu. Alkaline treatment ಆಗಿರಿಂದ single stranded DNA fragments are produced. Okay, next, then a single stranded DNA is fragment. Single stranded DNA fragments are transferred to nitrocellulose or nylon membrane. DNA fragments are transferred to the nitrocellulose or the nylon membrane. Okay, then next one. Already the DNA fingerprint, the DNA fragments are known. Okay, then the artificial or synthetic radioactive DNA probes having repetitive base sequence. The synthetic radioactive DNA probes having the repetitive base sequences like VNTRs are synthesized. Means DNA probes are nothing but the artificially synthesized DNA complementary to the VNTRs. Already ನಮಗೆ DNA fragments ಗೊತ್ತದವು. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು similar DNA, these are VNTRs. Okay, we have to synthesized DNA probes which are very complementary to the VNTRs. Okay, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ DNA fragments ಅದ. We already know the sequence of the VNTRs. Okay, we have to synthesize DNA probes. DNA probes ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ short sequenced DNA which are very complementary to the VNTRs. Okay, with those DNA probes are radioactive. They have the luminescence. Radioactive ಅಂದ್ರೆ particular colored ಇರ್ತವೆ. Okay, then next thing, the DNA probes transfer to nylon membrane. Means DNA probes are very complementary to the VNTRs. There is a hybridization. Single stranded DNA ididu probes jote seri double stranded DNA ಆಗ್ತದೆ. DNA fragments ಆಗ್ತವೆ. The DNA probes are transferred to the nylon membrane. There is a hybridization. VNTRs and DNA probes. This method of hybridization, is known as Southern blotting. Okay, the scientists Southern discovered this in the year 1975. That's why the technique is called as a Southern blotting. Southern blotting is very simple. There is a complementary base pairing between the VNTRs and the DNA probes. DNA probes are very similar to the VNTRs. Okay. Next thing. This nylon membrane is exposed to X-ray film to mark the place where radioactive DNA probes bond with VNTR. Okay. The nylon membrane is transferred to the means exposed to X-ray film. Okay. There is a complementary base pairing with the VNTR and DNA probes. DNA probes having the radioactivity. Okay, that's why they can appears as a dark luminescent band. Okay, the place they are marked by the dark bands. This is known as a autoradiography, the detection of hybridized DNA fragments by radiography. The place is marked by dark band. This is known as autoradiography. Okay, the dark band on the X-ray film represent the DNA fingerprint. The dark band due to the radioactivity of probes on X-ray film represented the DNA fingerprints. Okay, it's very simple. The detection of criminals by collecting the blood sample or any tissue of the body, extraction of DNA from that sample, then dissection with a distinction endonuclease. After dissection, separation with the gel electrophoresis. Those gel electrophoresis gives the fragments of DNA. They have to be multiplied with another technique called as a PCR. Then the multiplied DNA fragments are treated with alkaline solution in order to convert into single stranded DNA fragments. Those single stranded DNA fragments are transferred to the nitrocellulose paper or a membrane. Those membranes have the DNA fragments. The complementary DNA fragments are synthesized artificially with the radioactivity. DNA probes are synthesized complementary to the VNTRs. Okay, those DNA probes are transferred to the nylon membrane for the hybridization. Hybridization in the sense complementary base pairing with the DNA and DNA probes. Okay, this is known as a Southern blotting. After that, the nylon membrane is exposed to the X-ray film in order to mark the hybridization. Elli DNA probe matta VNTR bond ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ, where there is a formation of double stranded DNA probe and VNTR. Okay, that is known as a autoradiography. Okay, where there is a hybridized DNA, this appears as a dark band on the X-ray film. It represents the DNA fingerprint. Okay, there is one exercise which is given in your NCERT book. I will show that one. See here, parental chromosome and a maternal chromosome. You can see the 3 pairs of chromosomes 7, 2, 16. Okay. The pink one, first one is the parental, that is paternal, second one is a maternal. Idu male, idu female. You can see a 3 chromosomes, homologous chromosomes. C is a criminal, A and B. Okay. Unknown from individual A. Here you can see the number of tandem repeats. Here only 3 tandem repeats in the chromosome number 7. You can see the polymorphism. Okay. Then after that, amplified repeats separated by the size on the gel use a DNA fingerprinting. You can see C is a criminal, A and B are the persons. We can see the complementary base pairing. We can compare the DNA fingerprint of the sample of criminal and suspects. Okay, these are 2 suspects. You can see a pink has the pink, 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 yellow, 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 blue, 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 blue. Means it shows that the crime scene matches with the individual B, not with the A. The fingerprint is matched with the fingerprint, criminal fingerprint is matched with the B. We can say that the criminal is B. Okay, like that only experts can read the DNA fingerprinting. It is not actually like this, it is just like a paint, a small paint, dark and light color band painting. Only experts can read that DNA fingerprinting. Only forensic department is very expert in matching the DNA fingerprinting. Okay. By this we can clearly identify the criminals or parents. Okay. Usually the DNA fingerprinting is used to solve the criminal cases with the help of a small sample. When the small DNA sample in the, we can solve the cases, murder cases. Okay. In this topic, the technique of DNA fingerprinting is very important. There are 7. One second. There are totally 9 important points are there. First, isolation, ionization, then separation with the gel electrophoresis, then PCR, then alkaline solution, then nitrocellulose, then DNA probes, then Southern blotting, autoradiography. There are totally 9 important points for the technique of DNA fingerprinting. Then so many 1 marks question will come from this topic. What is VNTR? What is mini satellite? What are variable number of tandem repeats? Then what are repetitive DNA? What are satellite? What is microsatellite? What is PCR? What is gel electrophoresis? What is DNA fingerprinting? Who coined the term DNA fingerprinting? Then what is Southern blotting? What is autoradiography? What is DNA probe? These are very important questions will come from this topic. Okay. I explained everything. Please practice this one. This technique, 7 points in the technique is very important. This is a very important question for 5 marks. Important for 5 marks. So many 1 marks question may come from this topic. That is why I am telling students, please practice this topic with the explanation. Okay. This is the one important questions. This is, with this topic we completed the chapter. In the next class I will start the another chapter. Okay. Please write down the notes neatly, watch the videos regularly, don't skip any videos, it will help for the final examination. We will continue in the next class.